In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, use this plus at the bottom right corner, and to add an audio file, select Files. Now tap on Audio at the top, select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, you need to hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files. Click on your video here. Or, if you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here and click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!